Hi friends, this is Barbara and we are back with another crock pot meal, and this is called Delicious Chicken. Okay, what we want to do first is pepper. We got to pepper both sides. Okay, then we want to take our Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon. Okay. Just 1 teaspoon. And just sprinkle that over. I'm going to save some of that for the other side, because I want to season both sides. Okay, and that is what my chicken is looking like. Looks salted. Well, you could add salt. I'm leaving out the salt, okay? I don't want to take your control away. Salt that sucker up if you want to. Okay, so now let's place them in our crock pot. And please, anyone who tries this, please come back and leave your comments, okay? Let's see how this turns out for everybody. Okay. In the recipe, it says leave the bone in, leave the fat on. I don't know, I just have a problem with the fat stuff. Sorry, I'm just picking some of that fat off. Okay, and I am back. Okay, and then what we want to do is go ahead with the rest of that Italian seasoning. Go ahead with more pepper. It's just to your liking, okay? And now the fun part. Minced garlic, or you can use full garlic clove. We are going to go in with, let me see, 1, 2. Let's be generous. Let's play around with 3 tablespoons, okay? That was a tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay, then we're going to go in with, here we go. I already cut up 1 onion. I only had red onion, so, you do with what you got. You make it make. Okay, so put the red onion in, or put your color onion in. And if you love onions, put 2 of them in. I might come back here later and put 2 in. I don't know. But this is 1 onion. And then we're going to do a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Perfect. I'm going to rinse my hands. All right, very nice. This is going to turn out really good. Okay, and then you're going to pop your top on. You're going to put it to high, because it says put it to high for 5 hours, friends. 5 hours on high. But you know and I know that we just got to keep an eye on that crock pot, okay? Because all crock pots cook different. I know that it sounds strange, but geez, your food could be done in 3 hours. You never know. So yeah, keep it on high for 5 hours or till it's done. I will be right back. Okay. We are done. I sliced up some potatoes and put them in my crock pot. Be careful when you do this. Ouch, this is hot. Oh, geez. Okay, yeah, I burned my fingers. I'm going to transport that, use the plate to transport it over there. Okay. Oh, geez. Really looking good here. Oh, this is really and tender. So I'm kind of flipping them a little bit, you know, just to get it juicy. All right. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks really good. Okay, I went ahead and I made my plate. I'm going to serve my chicken with I sliced up some sweet potatoes. Yep, I left the skin and I did wash the potatoes, and with strawberries. Oh, that is so tender. Get some of that onion on there. It is just so hot. Honestly, try this. It is delicious. I love it. So I'm sitting here, I'm saying, try it, and my dog's jumping on my leg. He's like, let me try it. I just can't stop eating it. It really is delicious. Okay, friends, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Keep on cooking. Love you guys.